Greetings from Lilla Flatenbadet. Happy Sunday as well on this 17th of August 2025. It is 4:40 p.m. right now, so quite late for a beach adventure, but I waited for the sun to appear as it was cloudy almost all morning, but also super windy. And now we have a lot better weather. And also, the school is starting tomorrow, so there is basically nobody on the beach as the students need to prepare for tomorrow. And also that it was windy most of the day, and we have only 18 degrees Celsius in the air right now. But it's a lot warmer in the sea, and we're gonna check the temperature in a bit, how warm it is exactly. So this is Lilla Flatenbadet, the first public beach when you enter, when you're coming from Hondal. There is also two other public beaches in that direction. The second one is Barnbadet, the children's beach, or Melon Badet, that I see some people on the jetty. And then the big one, Stora Flatenbadet, that I have shown you a few times before. And on this one I haven't been in a while, but currently I'm the only person on the beach, that is, and it's gonna be amazing to be the only one taking a swim here. Now I'm on the jetty, but you can obviously chill also on the sandy part of the beach as well, as you can see. To get to this beach it took me just 8.5 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike that is here in the shadow that you can see right here. And yeah, it's then time to enjoy a nice swim in the lake Flaten. Look at how beautiful the water is. It's so clean and clear, and it is definitely my favorite lake here in Stockholm for sure. Here we have signs. Several times it says that diving is forbidden, but let's see first the temperature in the water before I jump into the lake. Lots of water plants we have here, and it's just amazing how clear the water is. It's absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So yeah, sunny Sunday in Stockholm, but it's the summer is probably coming to an end despite having super sun right now, but just 18 degrees Celsius. And the temperature in the water is 21 degrees Celsius. Yes, super decent and perfect for a swim here in Lake Flaten in the Flaten Nature Reserve. Beautiful. All right, so let's get ready for a jump into the Lake Flaten here and to battle with the water plants. But the water is super clean and clear, so let's then have a go. Whew. It's amazing. Brilliant. So beautiful. Peaceful nature and beautiful all around indeed. The only thing that's bugging me is the sound of the motorway that's close to here, but other than that it's absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Another beach adventure with Kris from this paradise over here. It's so amazing indeed, and yeah, it's beautiful and the beach to enjoy. Just look at how much better it looks with the sun. It's so amazing. Yeah, I'm sure gonna be missing summer soon, indeed. But yeah, um, I'm gonna be enjoying here and definitely going to be swimming here for 30 minutes for sure, 1 kilometer, as it is quite nice in the water over here. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Lilla Flatenbadet, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.